And today I will show you the new website TRON app.in. First you enter this website, you show this type of interface. First you click username, 6 letter or number. Second you enter the password and recommendation code and area code or mobile number, and give the email address and click on the register button. If you click on the you are registered on this website. I have already registered in this website. I click on the login button. You click on the login button, you show this type of interface. First you show the website give a bonus total 90,000 TRX, and click on the deposit button. Click on the deposit button, you show these two type of deposit: transfer to the basic account, transfer to the promotion account. Click on the transfer to the basic account and select many BNP, TRX, ETH, B, EP20 USDT. I choose TRX for the deposit in this website, and copy the link, and you go of any wallet you have. I have Trust wallet. I am going to the Trust wallet account and deposit to the 50 TRX on this website. You show how to deposit in this website. I enter my code of Trust wallet. You have any wallet you deposit on this website, and click on the send button and enter the link and amount. I enter 50 TRX to this website and click on the continue button, and you show the transfer the website 50 TRX and show how to transfer to this website. You show my transfer minus 50 TRX on this website and go back to the website and click on the submit successfully. You show the submit complete successfully, the balance to charge. Click on the completed. You show my balance on this website is completed. First you show the 19,000. Second you show my balance is 90,050 TRX. And second you show the share friend button. Click on the share friend and you show this type of interface: invitation, rewards and copy link. You click on the copy link and share for your family, friends from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and also Telegram. And back to the home page, you show the team option. You click on the team option and you show the team option bonus record. Also team member, you join many member on this website from your friends, family and WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and you show the reward bonus. You receive many rewards in this website. You click on the app button. You show the app of this website and download the app from this website, and you also join the app on this website and click on the guide button. You show this type of interface. You read all of these interface for better experience on this website. And back to the home page, you scroll down and you show the investment, basic investment, promotion investment. I click on the basic investment because I invest in the basic account. You also show the instant Qtos from this pay from the website to the mans, and other you show the profitable withdraw from the website people are give in this website. Also you show the many global partners on in this website: TRON, dogecoin, CoinDC and many other big companies. And also you show the mining button in this website. You click on the mining and you show my current yield is 19 minus 100. We all profit. I show you the purchase plus 50 and purchase minus 50. You also show the. And back to the website and click on the home button and click on the share button and show how to share this website to people. I also guide you, and click on the mine button and you show the mine. I always show how to deposit in this website, and click on the guide options, share friends, apps, transfer to the basic. I also told how to transfer to the basic account amount to be convert to promotion account, basic account amount convert to the basic. Click on the amount, convert to the basic amount is confirmed. Click on the cursor. Are you sure from the transfer in? Click on the confirm button. The amount is transferred to the basic account to the promotion account. And back to the website, also show the change password. Click on the change password. You show how to the password change. If you have easy password, you enter the difficult password to this website. And back to the website, you show the notifications option on this website. Click on the notifications. Also show this type of interface. You read all of these from this website for better experience. And back to the website, you show this type of interface. You click on the mining button and you show my mining are complete today. I receive my mining. You also show the my mining in the 4.5 TRX, and I click the receive button and receive my mining into my wallet. Also you show the my mining is received to my wallet, and I click on the invest button. You also show the many investment in this website: VIP 155% minus 100 and 90%. And also you scroll down, read all VIPs. I have currently my VIP 1 invitation reward deposit. Now I deposit 50 TRX on this website and click on the cyclical investment. Also you show the post-pledged mining 5-day cycle and post-pledged mining 10-day cycle and post-pledged mining 15-day cycle. Also you show all the cycles and click on the mining on this website and click on this, and price is 10 USDT and purchase. You also now participate in investment. Also you invest in this website. You click on the invest now, and back to the reports. I show the records. My equipment bladed is running now, and quantity 1 amount 50 TRX, return 4.50 and profit 4.50 TRX every day, 180 days now. And click on the mine button, and I show how to withdraw in this website, and click on the withdrawal and go to the withdrawal and select enter withdrawal amount now 4.50, and choose the wallet address, add digital wallet currency TRX, TRC20 address type wallet, and click on the wallet address and copy the wallet address. If have you any wallet address, I have trust wallet address, and paste in this place, and payment password, click on the payment password. If have you any password, click on the payment password in this place, and also payment password give in this place, and click on the confirm but continue button, and otherwise click on the amount button and select withdrawal amount and digital wallet currency wallet. Click on the digital currency wallet, enter the password, and click on the password, and click on the withdrawal button, and cannot withdraw during this time. Also this time click on the withdrawal button and withdraw. You show my withdrawal is pending and receive in few seconds in my trust wallet, and just a second wait for the withdrawal and show transfer to the basic. I always tell you, and wait for just a minute, and you show my payment are received in my trust wallet. I will show you my payment received in my trust wallet TRC20. You show this website give me 4.5 TRX. It's real and legit, and it's give many reward for the people, so it is trusted website and very nice website.